Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage autoplay settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click settings, and now you will find here autoplay settings. Here you can manage autoplay settings, and that's it. That's how to manage autoplay settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.